Hi class, Ms. Wilkin here, and I'm going to be talking to you about interior design. We're going to use the principles of design, things like balance, repetition, rhythm, and movement, and we're going to be applying them to how we arrange things in a space. In class, we use the principles of design to arrange elements in our artwork, but we can also use it to arrange our space. Here's an example of a bedroom. I'm seeing proportion being used with the different sizes of pillows. I'm also seeing balance, asymmetrical balance, in how she's hung up the curtain and with the objects on the wall. In this example, I see a couple points of emphasis. The chair, the number 9, repeating the color orange, and the clock in the center. Okay, so we're looking here at my desk. I got my boyfriend over there. And the first thing I want you to do is just look at your space and start by cleaning up. Make piles of what you have. This could be your desk. This could be your a shelf. This could be a bookcase, a cabinet, and just start by straightening it up and see what you have in that space. And then we're going to reorganize it in a way that's more aesthetically pleasing. Okay, I just organized my desk thinking about the principles of design. Some of the principles I thought about were balance. I have things equally balanced on both sides. I'm also using pattern by having things being repeated. And I have a focal point, so I'm using emphasis, the focal point being the plant and the lamp in the middle. Okay, after you create your space and you make it aesthetically pleasing, photograph the space. You'll be getting a grade for that. You'll also be getting a grade for completing the graphic organizer, showing that where you explain the 3 principles of design that you used and how you use them. All right. I'm looking forward to seeing your spaces.